Today we want to talk about cable ampacity analysis by using the PowerFactory. So sometimes we have some cables, underground cables, three-phase cables, and we want to see how much is the maximum current that we can follow that through that cable, or how much is the losses through that cable. So for that, we can make, for example, one simple power system. So we can put one synchronous generator also here, and one load here, and put the voltage, for example, the load, for example, 2 megawatt, and the voltage for each bus bar, for example, 10 kilovolt, 10 kilovolt, and for generator, just we select one typical generator. This is 11, so we should change to 11. Okay. Okay. So for cable, we have here the line, so we can connect the line to the bus bars. So typically here we have different project types. So if we click on the line type here, we can put, okay, how much is the resistance, reactance, and everything. But if we have some underground cables, calculation of them is really tough and difficult. So it's better to we make our cable. So here, just click on this type, new project type, and here we have cable definition. So here's nominal frequency, resistivity, conductivity, and here we have the circuit. So if you double click in the circuit, new project type, then you can make the single core type and multi-core type. If you click on multi-core type, then here we have our core system. So here we have rated voltage, 11, and here we have the conductor, she's armor and everything, so it can be easily designed everything. So here for conductor, we can keep everything same for sheet and everything, but here if you come to pipe definition, here you can design the cable, and here you can see the cable. So here we put the outer diameter, for example, 0.25, the thickness 1, for example, and keep everything same. So it will be like this. And here we put 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, and here we have the angle. So the angle, we can keep the first one to 120 degree, and the last one to 240 degree, then it will be cable like this. So now we designed the cable. If you click OK, then we have the cable is designed. OK and OK. So if we make a load flow, normally we don't have any issues, but from the toolbox, if you come to the cable analysis, here we have a couple of options, and the last one is cable ampacity calculation. And if you have a couple of cables, you can right click here, calculation, cable ampacity calculation. Just click on this one. And here we have two different methods for cables, cable layout. Just keep the initial one and just execute. So now we executed the cable definition. Here we have cable ampacity report. Just click on that one. And here it says that, okay, in the report we need show thermal losses, dielectric losses, and sheath armor losses, and just execute. So here you can see the maximum current, everything, for example, the loss factor for armor, the dielectric losses, conductor losses, everything can find from here. So this maximum current, for example, is 99 amp for this cable. And even we can change the temperature. For example, if you come to cable ampacity here, double clicking in line, cable ampacity. So here you can see what is the ambient temperature. So for 20 degree was 99 ampere. If, for example, we increase to 35 degree, click OK. We make the calculation again. Make a report. So you can see in 35 degree, it reduces to 58 ampere.